People always say, Pro, if you spend more time editing, your edits will be better. So today, we are putting the theory to the test. I made one edit in exactly 1 minute. No overthinking, no fancy effects, just pure panic and random button pressing. Then I made the same edit again. But this time, I spent a whole hour on it, adding effects, syncing every beat, questioning my life choices, and staring at my screen until my eyes stopped working. So, can I but the one with the extra minutes really make that much of a difference? There's only one way to find out. Or a minute versus or hour edit. Let's see which one wins.
First I am making 1 minute edit. I am making the composition first. So let me put a song so you know bore. I actually put 5 minutes. Because 1 minute can't be done anything. Now it is time for shake. I am making a simple intro. Like just image. No movements, only image. I am aligning with beat. I tried to make a zoom, but we have a limited time. Now for the beat marking. It's so easy to make brew. I can't sign in BCOZ. I am using mod APK. Now I need to make it manually. Now I'm cutting, according to beat. I am just speeding up the zoom part. If you want tutorial for edit like these, check out my post. Please watch this video till the end please. I am adding a shake effect. I put the shake in the middle of every clips. The time's up. I am managed to make a simple edit rated out of 10. Here is the 1 minute edit. This is not a good edit. But let's dip in 1 hour edit. Let's make it better. I should not put whole clip. I am speeding it up. I took a lot of time. This song should keep you. Sigma.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
My storage went full. Anyways, here is the 1-hour edit. Still trash, bruh. What content should I make next? See you next video. Bye.